Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is LED color changing rope light with the remote. I got this out of Costco. It is on sale right now for $14.99 each. And original retail price on this is $19.99. So they have an instant $5 coupon right now. So this one has 18 feet and 180 LEDs, 8 colors setting. So this is pretty nice. If you could put this on your backyard or your rail or your balcony or your deck. And this is rated indoor and outdoor. And it comes with 6 animated modes. Connect up to 5 sets. Wow, I should buy more then. Up to 90 feet. 2 speeds and play and pause control. And includes 18 feet color changing rope light, 2 feet power cable, mounting clips and screws, remote control with battery, and instruction manual. So here are the colors. You got a red, yellow, green, blue, light blue, dark blue, purple, white, and then rainbow colors. So it says risk of shocks, turn off power before inspection, installation, or removal. Do not open, no user serviceable parts inside. Come with a 1-year limited warranty. And this is made in Cambodia. Here is the barcode right here. And it's by Intertech. And here's the controller. What's it look like? 8 color, 6 animation, 2 play and pause control. So this one has a clear tape. So be sure before you purchase it, you want to look at this clear tape. That means nobody has opening it or mess around with it or customer return. So you don't stuck with the nasty or used one. So, wow, look at all this instruction manuals all crumped up. So here are all the colors. So I'm not sure if this is an infrared sensor or it only allows you to go or turn on at night. Here's a plug. And this one, you slide up, you get the fuse. I believe one is the spare in there. So this is not grounded, so you gotta be careful. That's why you might get shocked, okay? Come with this dry silica gel. And then here is the controller. So yeah, I was thinking about putting this on my balcony. So there's a cap right here. You can unscrew it. And then there are two terminals to connect to a second rope. Or it says you can connect up to 5 sets. So this is one set already. Wow, I can see the resistor inside there. I wonder how bright this LED is. It's a rounded kind. So you'll be doing the same thing right here. Unscrew it right here. If you want to take it apart. And be careful right here. So there's a connector, that's what it's gonna look like. And this is a dummy proof. There's a flat head right there. So you only fit in one direction. And there's this rubber seal, prevent from water to get in there. So let's go ahead and open this up and test it out. And here are the mounting brackets, with the plastic clip and then screws. So you can mount this on your backyard fence, or if you have a patio cover. And you could also mount this on the fence too as well, or your stucco or your drywall. So yeah, it says for use only with on GFCI protected circuit. Let me go ahead and plug this in real quick to show you guys, and the remote. Wow, look at that. So nice. Wow, I love this. Like it. I should go back there and buy some more. It is currently on sale right now. So by the way, here's the remote. You have to take out this clear in order to allow the battery to contact. Okay. Glacier. I think I need to point at the plug. So once you press on it, it blinked. I mean, allows you to know that you have pressed the correct button. I mean, click on red. Oh, it does. I can click control from here. Green, blue, purple, yellow. C is clear. Up high cayenne. Let me see what this mean right here. Alright, so this is a rainbow color. Let me see the lightning bolt. And then these flashes on and off. Let's go and check out this one. So this one's like a glowing. High to low, low to high. Let's check out this one. Wow. Nice. Like bling bling. Let's go and check out this one. Oh, wow. Cool. Glacier. So that's a white color. I'm not sure what's the play. There's a play, pause, and then plus and minus for the speed. Oh, so this one change color by itself. And if you want to increase the speed, you press the plus sign. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.